Hi, this is Dr. Mayur Mahajan again, once again with a wonderful remedy. And the name of the remedy, I'm searching. Okay, chalo. I got it. The remedy is again, this is a very beautiful remedy, Hemamelis. Hemamelis, the reason or the main reason to or the aim and objective of this video of Hemamelis is again the same, the mind, body and the soul axis. Okay, so let us understand Hemamelis. Hemamelis, a remedy almost every homeopath have prescribed it, isn't it so? But if you understand the mind, body and soul axis, the mind, body and vital soul axis, then again this remedy you will never ever miss in your clinics. So let us start with the keynote symptoms of Hemamelis. Okay, most important, hemorrhagic diathesis. Let us understand hemorrhagic diathesis is again the mind and the vital force connection. Okay, again varicose veins, bluish discoloration of veins, then bruised soreness and passive venous hemorrhage. This is very important. Passive venous hemorrhage. How will you correlate with the MERS person? How will you correlate passive hemorrhage with an individual? How will you understand hemorrhage? For that we need to understand blood. What is this blood with the mind and soul and vital force axis? And of course the physical aspect. What is blood? Then prostration out of proportion to amount of blood loss. 1 drop and pain better after flow. See, this is so important, and I really feel from the bottom of my heart every single homeopath should understand Hemamelis in this way. Not only acha bleeding piles, come on, give Hemamelis. Acha varicose ulcers and there is some venous congestion, come on, give Hemamelis. No, please try to understand the essence, the center, the core, and that is what this what is this? Brain doesn't have mind. Mind is from head to toe, because whenever you get anxious, so I'm anxious but my hands are like this. So this is also anxiety, this is also produces anxiety, this is also produces. So the mind is from your head to toe. Your mind is there, present everywhere, not in the brain. Rao sir used to tell us, mind is not in the brain. Mind is everywhere. In every single cell of your body there is mind. Try to find out that single point which has the affinity towards bleeding piles, dark clotted blood, blood in stools, melena, isn't it? So let us find, with the help of a case, what is this dark clotted blood in stools. You need to understand this. Okay, so let us start with a case. First of all, I'll tell you a case of an architect. Okay, he was sitting like this, and he said, "Doctor, I'm suffering from this bleeding piles. I have got it operated twice, but still it is not at all getting well." Okay, so I asked him, "Okay, since how many years you are suffering?" He said, "No, it's around many years. Since 20, he's a retired architect now. He's around 64 years, and he has been suffering from the same symptom for last 20-25 years." So I was really wondering. As I already tell you, my dear friends, whenever there is a chronic case, try to find out the triggering factor, the cause of the disease, because we homeopaths treat the cause and not the effect. Understand? So let's find out the cause of the disease. Yeah, 25 years, why? Why body is throwing blood out? Why? We'll come to the point. Then I asked him, you are a retired this architect. Are you happy in your life? He said, no, the case is within 2-3 minutes. And see the beauty of this case. If you'll understand this case, you'll understand Hemamelis. He said, Doc, actually I'm an architect, I'm a retired architect. There are so many builders who come to me, take an appointment and ask for my suggestions. Okay? There are so many builders coming at my place, take an appointment and ask for my suggestions. And here I give them an able advice, and no advice is useless for an architect. I had proved it n number of times. Okay? But doctor, one thing what is hurting me is what? The respect what I get in the society and the respect what I get at my home. My wife feels that I'm a what you say अनपढ़ गवार बंदा हूं मैं, क्या बोलते हैं उसको, I'm a bloody illiterate man. She feels always, she gives me such reactions at my place, at my own home. She gives me such reactions that I am a bloody illiterate. I don't know anything. If anything I try to put up in my family or in with my, अच्छा you do, my wife said, आप खाली वो drawing करो. अरे, I'm an artist, I'm an architect, bloody. आप अपना वो पेन और पेंसिल लेके उधर बैठो, उधर ही अच्छे लेते हैं. You take the pen and pencil, pencil and paper and sit in your room. We don't want your advice. Has anybody asked for your advice? We don't want anyone. So it hurts. It hurts. Let us understand the whole case first. I am running the bloody show. I am the head of the department. I always wonder why these kids are also not at it. Whatever happens in their college, whatever happens in the school days, they used to tell their mother, I'm the one here, I'm the HOD. And you know, don't even bother to tell me what marks you got in your exams. Have you asked? No, I forgot. I mean, because of my busy schedule, I forgot to ask you how many marks you got in maths. But these guys, the whole family, they just feel that I'm an unwanted, I'm not at all the worst part is what, doctor, see, this is a very important sentence. Being an head of the department of the family, and I am treated like a servant, I am treated like a kachra, I am being treated like a illiterate, unwanted, useless person in their family. This is what it hurts. Now understand every word. You remember every single word. What does he feel? What he said? I feel the HOD. HOD is the main. The main. Okay. Now, no doubt, if at all a normal homeopath just taking the case, bleeding piles and dark color blood passing through the stools, if you give Hemamelis, yes, it cures. Okay. But now see the fun. Because without fun, if you do homeopathy, there won't be any that energy, that confidence, that zeal. But once you understand the exact crux, and when you find the physical symptom along with that mental, then what can I say? There is no word to express that feeling. Just eureka moment. I will compare it to the eureka moment when the physical symptoms, the mind symptoms, and everything comes at one single plane. I'll tell you the most important rubric of Hemamelis is respect desires to be respected. Who doesn't want to get respect? Is there anyone in this world who don't want respect? Everyone wants. But then what is this? Desires to be respected is really very important. What is that? I tell you. This respect is pathological respect. Why are you want to every time tell you I'm the head of the department, I'm a head of HOD. Why? You don't feel yourself as a head that respected. Why? Because here he feels that the surrounding, the IPR is not respecting this man. And what is it? What they are treating? They are treating like an illiterate, useless, unwanted man in the family. Who said? Nobody said. He feels. He feels, I'm unwanted. I don't get. I'm illiterate. What did the wife said? Have anyone asked for any suggestions? This is not your cup of tea, man. Come on, don't poke your dirty nose in this kitchen and family matters. I know what to do here. Come on, you hold your pen and paper and go and draw there. That was just a normal, casual say of the wife. And what did it took was very important. And these small words, Hema Mallish takes by heart. And this respected feeling he carries through and through. And when he doesn't get it, he lands into bad trouble. Now let us understand blood. What is blood? Vital fluid, my dear friends. Vital fluid. What is blood? Blood is something which is very important. What is blood? Blood is most significant, okay, most useful, head of the department in the family, most significant, most valued, most expensive. Blood passing with stools means the area where, what is stools? Let us understand stools. Stools, unwanted, yak, useless, excreta. Now getting the connection, passing through the anus, bullshit, illiterate, unwanted, go to hell, don't want, valueless, worthless shit. The feeling from the environment is yak, useless, worthless, valueless, excreta, shit. You go there, pen and paper, draw there, drawing, useless. And what he feels about himself? Blood, significant, worthwhile, worthful, value, full of significance. The blood, and the HOD, the vital fluid, which is what? Which is passing through where stools pass. And actually I feel myself here. This is blood. And environment treats me like a stool. This is blood passing through stools. This is blood in stools. Despised feeling of Hema Mallish. Delusion, look down upon. Delusion, he is despised. Hats. Bloody. You don't know any chap. Then again I asked, then that was the thing, and he was operated. Okay, no problem. Then what happened when you were retired? What happened again? This is also a very interesting question. He said, now my whole society, okay, is undergoing this reconstruction process. And the builder had, just hold the whole rights of the society. So I intervened in between and I told, I'm an architect. Blood, I'm my blood. I'm an architect. I'm practicing 65 years, significance, value, worth, full of appreciation, appreciating himself. I'm a builder. Arre, look, wait, listen to me. Look at me. I'll tell you what to do. I'll tell you how we can save some good space and we'll have a garden over there. The society secretary said, Uncle, हम लोग देख लेंगे. We will manage it. You don't have to see it. You don't have to look into it. आप रिटायर हो गया, अभी घर बैठो. Just sit at home. We'll manage. Don't take tension. You sit at home. Arre bloody again. I'm an architect. I'm blood. And people are thinking me shit. So blood, thought process, mind, body, soul axis. What is his thought process? His blood. People are treating me like a shit. So what will happen to my body? The physical axis. Blood will pass through stools. And this is where venous blood. Or, my own brothers, my own khun ka rishta, my blood relationship. They also don't care for me. They don't appreciate me. They don't do this. They don't, a number of complaints in hemamalis. Blood going out. So this is how we understand the man in disease and the remedial affinity of that single remedy with respect to the mind, with respect to the thought process. If you'll understand this, then it's only hemamalis if you prescribe upon black, dark, clotted blood in stools won't suffice. If you'll understand the crux of hemamalis, that respected feeling, feeling of a haughty feeling from within, the HOD, the head of department of a family, when treated like a servant, no doubt most of the times the patient will suffer from this diseases. But if at all, not only bleeding piles, if at all, he may suffer from insomnia, he may suffer from anxiety, depression, he may suffer from epistaxis, he may suffer from this bleeding from the eyes. Think, not only blood problems, it may be any problem. The blood pressure may shoot, the diabetes may go high. Just don't prescribe hemamalis for bleeding piles, a broader aspect. Don't be narrow-minded, only bleeding piles, hemamalis. No. Respected desires to be respected. It gives you a multi-dimensional view of a remedy. When you understand the mind in the remedy, once you understand the mind in the remedy, you'll get multi-dimensions. And once you find out the remedy, that multi-dimensional aspect, understanding the remedy, the multi-dimensional aspect, then the medicine you will prescribe from your heart, not from your brains. And that is where the patient gets well and you feel the cure before you prescribe them the remedy. Because you have to prescribe it here, from here. Understand the remedy with the whole extent, the mind, body and the vital force axis. Okay, so I'll be at the end of this video, I will be putting up so many rubrics of hemamalis, which will be with the context, with the case of this which I have just illustrated just now. I will be putting up all the rubrics, so beautiful rubrics. Just go through those rubrics. You'll come to know what hemamalis is, how much it is more applicable, replicable, not limited with bleeding piles, but it may work wonders for so many diseases. But the crux you need to understand, and that is respected desires to be. And last and not the least, I'll tell you one small sentence of Dr. Phatak, sir, in hemamalis. first sentence of Phatak sir, amazing. He had written here, and we tend to miss the mind sometimes. In Dr. Phatak sir's repertory with Metare Medica, it has written clear, wants, he had mentioned the word want, not need. Want means I want it, I want it because I deserve it. The word is used, wants the respect due to me. Due, D-U-E, due to me. Wants the respect due to me and shown. So, wants the respect due to me is the core of Hemamelis. If you will miss that, then it would be really very disheartening for me. Don't miss Hemamelis in your clinics henceforth. And again, as I usually tell to all my viewers, if you like this, please share. Don't forget to share and like, comment, okay, and subscribe. So thank you all and love you all.